Mesdames et messieurs, maintenant nous allons faire un petit voyage par bateau.
What's he talking about?
Voulez-vous entrer le Wonkatania?
Wow, what a boat!
Oh, looks good enough to eat.
That's quite a nice little canoe you've got there, Wonka.
All I ask is a tall ship and a star to sail her by. All aboard, everybody.
Ladies first, and that means Veruca.
If she's a lady, I'm a vermicious knit.
You sure this thing will float, eh, Wonka?
With your buoyancy, sir, rest assured.
She's très jolie, but is she seaworthy?
Nothing to worry about, my dear lady. I take good care of my guests.
Yeah, you took real good care of that August kid over
Everybody
there, that's
aboard?
for sure.
You're going to love this. Just love it.
Hey, Daddy, I want a boat like this. A beautiful paddle boat, that's what I want.
What she wants is a good kick in the pants.
I think I'm gonna be seasick.
Here, try one of these.
What are they?
Rainbow drops. Suck 'em and you can spit in 7 different colors.
Spitting's a dirty habit.
I know a worse one.
What business you in, Salt?
Nuts. Hang on, where are we going?
I don't know, but I don't like the looks of that tunnel up there. Hey, Wonka, I want off!
Round the world and home again. That's the sailor's way.
I don't like this ride, Daddy.
Wonka, do me a favor. Tell those creatures to stop paddling back there.
We're going too fast. We're gonna sink, I know it. Why doesn't he stop the boat?
Hang on, darling. Just close your eyes and hang on tight.
What is this, a freak out?
Hey, this isn't funny, Wonka!
You can't possibly see where you're going, Wonka.
You're right. I can't.
Boy, what a great series this would make.
Wonka.
This is kind of strange.
Yeah, strange, Charlie, but it's fun.
This is terrific.
How much to get off the boat, Wonka?
I think I'm gonna be sick.
I can take a joke, but this has gone too far.
Tell our little guy to turn this around, Wonka!
Now I am gonna be sick.
Don't be Daddy!
Couldn't be.
There's no earthly way of knowing
He's singing.
which direction we are going. There's no knowing where we're rowing or which way the river's flowing. Is it raining? Is it snowing? Is a hurricane a-blowing? Not a speck of light is showing, so the danger must be growing. Are the fires of hell a-glowing? Is the grisly reaper mowing? Yes! The danger must be growing, for the rowers keep on rowing, and they're certainly not showing any signs that they are slowing!
Oh, make him stop, Daddy!
Wonka, this has gone far enough.
Quite right, sir. Stop the boat! We're there.
Where?
Here. A small step for mankind, but a giant step for us.